guys, it is me, Stace. Today I want to share with you my design team project for Maymay Made It, and today we are making this really cute snowman card. Here's the outside there, and then we have the inside. Now this green piece you see here is actually tissue paper. They challenged the design team this month to be creative with our own background. And you guys know I make my own background anyway by using the stamps, which we'll do here as well, but I really did like the look and the texture of the tissue paper. Alright, so to get started you will need some cardstock. I'm just using two colors. So for the base of the card, I have red. This is 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. Another piece, same color. This is 2.5 by 4.5. Same color, which is 3 by 3. Then for the white pieces, we need two that are 4 by 5 1/4. One that is 2 1/4 by 4 1/4. And this one here is 2 3/4 by 2 3/4. And the first thing I'm going to do is do some stamping. I'm going to bring in a piece of scrap paper. And the stamps that we are using is Cozy Snowman Wishes. And I already have everything on my block. I'm just going to grab them over here. So I think I have it all. So the first thing I'm going to do is take green ink, and I'm using the Paper Tray New Leaf ink. And I'm going to stamp all over the white to create our first background. It's a really pretty snowflake on this stamp. Just rotate the paper, rotate the stamp so they're not all going the same direction. Okay, a few more. Now while we're here, we're going to do the inside. So I'm going to flip this over. I want to put a snowflake on the bottom left corner and the bottom right corner, just like that. We can set that aside for right now. Alright, next I'm going to grab the Merry Christmas from the same stamp set and the black memento ink. I'm going to put that up for the inside. It's going to go in between my two snowflakes on the bottom here. Hopefully straight. Not too bad. So there's the inside of the card. We can set that piece aside. Alright, leave my scrap paper here. Now I'm going to grab the 3 by 3 piece for the snowman. And I have both of the snowmen. Maybe if I can find the other one. There he is. He was over there hiding. Alright, so I'm going to ink these guys up in the black ink again. And I'm going to have this one, the one that's going on the right, I'm going to have him go kind of high. Press down really good. And then the other snowman, we're going to have him go toward the bottom. Kind of just like that. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and stamp our greeting. And the greeting I chose says, "Let it snow." I'm going to go back in that same green ink. Ink that up and put it up here on an angle. I'm going to grab that snowflake again and do one snowflake, or maybe two, on the bottom. Just like that. Okay, so that is all done. So our stamping is all done. Let's go ahead and bring in our card base. Let me put the lid on this guy over here. Okay, so we have the card base. Again, scored at 4 1/4. Fold that to crease it with your bone folder. I'm going to take the base piece. I'm going to use glue. I'm using art glitter glue to glue this down. And that's going to go on the front of the card. Just like that. We're going to pop this guy up on here, but I'm going to wait to do that. Alright, now we have the red piece and our white. I'm going to put the red down first. I'm going to have it go toward the left, kind of in the middle. Alright, now before I continue on, I want to sparkle up the snowflakes. So I'm using the Wink of Stella pen in the clear, and I'm just going to dot the center of the snowflakes. So it gives a really, really light sparkle. You can also use pearls if you want to, or rhinestones. Okay, I'm going to do the same for the greeting. Just again, little dot there, just in the center of the snowflakes. I'm going to do the inside as well. So again, just put a little dot there. So we're done with that. All right, now we have the white that we're going to layer on top of the red. Now, if you don't want to use white, you don't have to. You can use any colors. We're not going to see it. So I have a piece of green tissue paper here. I'm going to crumble it up, uncrumble it. This way it gives it more texture. Lay my piece of white down on top of that. I'm going to grab some tape. And basically we're going to be wrapping a present. Put that one here. This one here. On the bottom, you kind of want to go in with your corners. And then bring it up. Put tape there. And then we'll do the other side. And bring this part up. Isn't that fun? Just a fun element to add. Okay, so we have all that. Now we're going to bring our card base back over and glue this down. And I'm just using the art glitter glue. If you want to, you can use like a sticky strip. But I do find this glue works really good. I want to make sure you go all the way around it, over the tape. Okay, and we're going to put this one on top of the red. And this green does not match the green that I stamped with, but I'm okay with that. I like it being a little bit brighter. Okay, now we have this piece here, which is the last part. I'm going to flip this over, grab some foam squares. I'm going to use 5, all 4 corners, and then in the center. I'm going to give them a squish. Get the backing off. Okay, I'm going to put this on the red. Now I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to put the foam tape or the foam squares on just the one side, the right-hand side of this. And I'm just going to do 3. So again, it's on the right side of that image because this is going to lay on top of that one. And because we did wrap that with tissue paper, there is depth to it. So we didn't need to put a dimensional or a foam square on that side, but I'm going to put glue on that side. Okay, just like that. And put this in the center. You can also go an angle if you want to. Just give that a little push. There, so there's the front of the card. Isn't that sweet? All right, now we have the inside already done. We stamped the Merry Christmas and the snowflakes on either side. And I will have the link to the blog post below that will take you to Maymay's site that has all the sizes and supplies I used. Also, if you guys are a member of her Maymay Made It So Did I Facebook group, you can go there and share your cards, creating your own background as well. All right, so there, my friends, is the finished card. Isn't that sweet? And there's this one here. All right, guys, any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.